Atomy's overseas sales have surpassed domestic sales, continuing its explosive growth in the international market. Atomy's HemoHIM has emerged as a top export product, being one of the most Korean health supplements. With its unique functionality, it's making waves in the global health supplement market. This is reporter Lee Ji-han.
Atomy's HemoHIM has ranked first in export sales of individually recognized health supplement ingredients. For 10 consecutive years, it has recorded sales of over 100 billion won, surpassing a cumulative global sales of 2 trillion won, leading the K-health supplement market. The secret to HemoHIM's popularity is its unique functional ingredients. It's the first health supplement in Korea to be recognized for its dual functionality in improving fatigue and enhancing immunity. The main ingredient of HemoHIM, a mixed extract including HemoHIM short-term, has been recognized for its dual functionality, as it not only improves immune function, but also received approval from the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety for its fatigue improvement functionality. Additionally, a research paper on the mixed extract including HemoHIM short-term, recently published in an SCIE-level international journal, reported that HemoHIM has fatigue improvement and antioxidant effects in aging models. HemoHIM has proven its global recognition by being registered in over 20 SCIE international journals. Among individually recognized health supplements in Korea,
Atomy HemoHIM is a fantastic product that has noticeably improved my health and well-being. Its safe, natural taste truly represents the quality of Korean health foods, and many people around me have shown great interest in it.
Unlike regular food, health supplements need to prove their functionality, and since each country has different standards, exporting them can be tricky. In response, Atomy is launching the global version of HemoHIM called HemoHIM G to actively expand its overseas exports.
Since HemoHIM was launched as an individually recognized product in Korea, it is now available in 23 countries. In that process, since each country has very different regulations, we conduct various studies, but a global version of HemoHIM is necessary. That's why HemoHIM G was launched, and it's currently expanding mainly in Europe.
With its unique product features, HemoHIM is establishing itself as a mega hit in the health supplement industry. This is Lee Ji-han from Money Today Broadcasting.